This is a company data file for MYOB, Mind Your Own Business, accounting software. You need the MYOB AccountEdge software to log in. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's access the accounts. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality MYO file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. The MYO file extension is associated with MYOB Accounting, a popular accounting software package used by small and medium-sized businesses. This file type stores the company's financial data, including transactions, customer and supplier information, inventory details, and payroll data. It is a proprietary format specific to MYOB and essential for maintaining accurate financial records. MYO files are structured to efficiently store and retrieve accounting data. The internal format is proprietary and not publicly documented, making it difficult to access the data without MYOB software. The file contains indexed data structures for quick searching and reporting. Data integrity is crucial, so MYOB incorporates error-checking mechanisms. The core professional tool for handling the MYO format is MYOB Accounting from MYOB. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. Open the menu by right-clicking your MYO file and choosing Open With. Try MYOB Accounting first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. When your MYO file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, use AccountEdge Pro. Open the file using AccountEdge Pro, the required application for the accounting file. Next, check version. Ensure your AccountEdge Pro version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, use restore function. If the file is corrupt, use the software's restore function from the last backup. If your current apps can't interpret your MYO file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the MYO content is a massive time saver. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. Thanks for joining our community of fixers.